Here we are at the annual AAPM&R meeting here in Baltimore, Maryland. Excited to be on the floor in the exhibit hall. The first time that Harmonic Bionics has presented. So this is a very big milestone for the company and a really exciting opportunity to interact with physicians all across their career.
We're really heavily focused on including the shoulder in upper extremity rehab. It actually has a scapular component that is able to mimic your shoulder's natural kinematics or range of motion.
To be able to literally have a robot that does kind of upper extremity motions, can literally perform mirror therapy like without the mirror, you know? I mean, you just have never seen anything like it. It seems like it's right out of a sci-fi movie or something.
Being here at AAPM&R, that's where the physiatrists are, we're getting even more feedback on what to do and what they need.
That's so crazy.
So bring the ball.
Oh, but that's so good.
Yeah, very excited.